Welcome to Love and Matters with the Adeoyes. This is marriage tip number 2. It is actually a follow-up to the first tip where I emphasized that God never asks us to marry whom we love, but to love whom we marry. No matter how you ended up with your partner, it is your duty to love and cherish one another. Oh, I never wanted to marry her. She got pregnant for me and I was forced to tie the knot with her. It doesn't matter in God's standard. As long as you agreed and you are married to one another, it is your duty to love and honor one another. Look at the case of Jacob and Leah. In the book of Genesis chapter 29, Jacob never really loved Leah. Jacob worked 7 years to have Rachel. He loved Rachel with everything. But on the wedding night, something happened. Leah was given to him. He woke up the following day and realized he had it with Leah and not with Rachel. At that point, he had the choice, that moment, to say, no, I'm not marrying this woman. I never loved this woman. But he agreed in order to fulfill the next condition Rachel's father gave to him. Like, if you want to marry Rachel, then you have to serve me for another 7 years. Don't worry, after all this whole ceremony, I will give you Rachel. It's in our culture, this younger can't go before the elder. So if you agree to that terms, then it's fine. And the Bible recorded that Jacob agreed. That means Jacob agreed to have Leah as his first wife and agreed to have Rachel as his second wife. Now, even though he never really loved Leah, but as long as he's married to her, it is important, it is of necessity that he show love to Leah no matter the condition of their marriage. But the scripture recorded that Jacob loved Rachel so much that he neglected Leah. Leah was unloved. And because of that, God shut the womb of Rachel. Look at that condition. God shut the womb of Rachel because of Leah. Because Leah was not loved, Rachel was loved. And Leah was giving birth to the kids, while Rachel was barren for a long time. As a matter of fact, the line of Christ came from Leah, not from Rachel, the one Jacob loved. So by all standard of God, as long as you are joined together in marriage, it is your duty to love your wife. It is the duty of your wife to love you, the husband, and honor you. It is the duty of the two of you to hold one another in one accord, into oneness. It goes beyond your feelings. It goes beyond what you feel. As long as you are together, you have to build the feelings. You have to make it work. You have to make it happen. And that is the standard of marriage in Christendom. Thank you and God bless your home.